Before a single piece of that iconic KFC chicken hits the fryer, an incredible supply chain springs into action. Every morning as the sun rises, refrigerated trucks pull up to KFC locations worldwide, delivering fresh chicken from carefully selected suppliers. These suppliers operate under strict standards that would impress even Colonel Sanders himself. Each chicken must meet specific size, weight, and quality requirements. We're talking about premium grain-fed chickens raised by farmers who've partnered with KFC for generations. The moment these birds arrive, they go straight into specialized coolers. The temperature stays locked at a precise 35 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. This sweet spot keeps the chicken fresh while preventing any bacterial growth. Every KFC location uses automated monitoring systems. If the temperature fluctuates even half a degree outside the acceptable range, alerts go out immediately. This attention to detail protects both the quality and safety of every piece. And now we are at the spice room. This is where the magic happens. Those famous 11 herbs and spices come together in a process so secretive that even today, 2 separate companies each make half of the blend. Each morning, trained staff members measure and mix these seasonings according to Colonel's exact specifications. The blend then goes into secured containers, ready to transform ordinary chicken into the KFC flavor millions crave every day. When the chicken arrives at each KFC location, each piece of chicken goes through multiple cleaning stages to ensure absolute food safety. KFC's cutting technique is an art form developed by the Colonel himself. Every chicken is broken down into precisely sized pieces: breasts, thighs, wings, and legs. The size consistency is crucial because it affects everything from cooking time to portion control. Each cut must be exact, following guidelines that haven't changed since the early days of KFC. The marination process is where science meets tradition. The chicken soaks in a specially formulated marinade for exactly 12 hours. This timing creates the perfect balance of flavor and tenderness. The marinade penetrates deep into the meat, ensuring that every bite delivers that signature KFC taste. Setting up the breading station takes precision and planning. The workspace layout follows an exact pattern to maximize efficiency. The breading mixture gets prepared in specific quantities, and the temperature of both the chicken and the breading must fall within strict parameters. The signature breading starts with a measured mixture of flour and those legendary 11 herbs and spices. Each KFC location receives pre-measured spice packets mixed with precise amounts of flour in specialized containers. The ratios remain exactly as Colonel Sanders specified them decades ago. The double breading technique is what creates that extra crispy, mouth-watering crust KFC fans love. First, the marinated chicken gets dipped in a special milk and egg wash. Then comes the first coating of seasoned flour, followed by another dip in the wash, and finally, a second coat of the seasoned flour. Each piece gets a gentle shake to create those signature craggy bits that turn golden brown during frying. Quality control during the breading process involves multiple checkpoints. The thickness of the coating must meet exact specifications. Too thin and you lose the crunch. Too thick and it won't cook properly. Trained staff members check each batch of breaded chicken, ensuring the coating adheres evenly and creates the perfect base for frying. Maintaining consistency across thousands of KFC locations worldwide takes incredible planning. Every restaurant follows identical procedures, using the same equipment and standardized measurements. The breading stations are set up identically in every kitchen, with specific tools marked for each step in the process. The specialized pressure fryers drive KFC's entire cooking operation. These machines revolutionized the fast food industry when Colonel Sanders first adapted them for chicken. Modern KFC pressure fryers combine precision engineering with advanced temperature controls to create the perfect cooking environment. Temperature control during frying follows exact specifications. The oil maintains a steady 350 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the cooking process. Pressure builds inside the sealed fryer, creating the perfect combination of heat and pressure that locks in the chicken's natural juices while cooking it to perfection. Batch management determines the flow of every KFC kitchen. Each pressure fryer holds a specific amount of chicken arranged to ensure even cooking. The cooking time runs exactly 12 minutes per batch. During peak hours, multiple fryers operate in a choreographed sequence, ensuring fresh chicken emerges at regular intervals. Color and texture monitoring requires experienced eyes and careful attention. The cooked chicken must achieve a specific golden brown color, indicating perfect doneness. Staff members check each piece as it emerges from the fryer, verifying the coating's crispiness and the meat's tenderness. They use calibrated thermometers to confirm that every piece reaches the required internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Moving to storage, KFC's heat lamp system maintains chicken at the perfect serving temperature. These specialized warming units provide consistent heat while preventing the coating from becoming soggy. Each unit features precise temperature controls and monitoring systems. Maximum hold times are displayed prominently in every KFC chicken. Digital timers track each batch, and automated systems alert staff when product needs rotation or removal. This systematic approach eliminates guesswork and ensures consistent quality. The packaging process requires specific materials designed to maintain product quality. Special containers allow steam to escape while keeping the chicken warm. Each container type serves a specific purpose, from individual pieces to family-sized meals. Inventory management follows a strict first-in, first-out system. Digital tracking systems monitor chicken usage throughout the day, helping managers to predict busy periods and adjust production accordingly. This data-driven approach minimizes waste while ensuring fresh product availability.